Hello, teacher. My name is Samuel Corpedroso, and this is my video presentation family member AA3 AB101. English does work. Level 2 348H 3H1. Okay. Introduction. Hello, teacher. And today I'm going to present my family picture. This photo was taken at a birthday party. In this picture, my family and I are spending time together and enjoying the celebration. Family description. On the left side, my mother is wearing blue dress and she is smiling. My father is standing next to her and he is talking with my uncle. My sister is taking picture with her phone. I am sitting in front of the table and I am smiling at the camera. Every everyone is feeling happy. And I love spending time with my family because they are very important to me. We always support each other and enjoyed special moment together. Thank you for attention.